Hello everybody and welcome to Tiger Offline, the extra gaming channel if you will, and we are currently going through all of the extra bits and bobs that you can do within Far Cry 6. Love this series. I may not do every single tiny thing, but the majority of the stuff that I want to do. And so in this video we are going to be tackling a lot of the anti-aircraft sites in Madrugada on the Lozania section of the game, where you obviously work with the Montero family. But first off, this particular place is in white, where a lot of them are in red. And I think it's highlighted white because I've talked to someone or saved someone and they've given me the information. So I'm going to go around and do a lot of the anti-aircraft sites as well in this side of the map. So we are literally here. We have... gonna have to sneak in. Let's make sure my throwing knives are around. Let's get this base. See if I can do it hush hush. Because that would be helpful.
Hola,
If I
Danny.
can.
Coming up on a weather station. Looks like the military's taking it.
Could be some useful intel in there. Download anything you find on their computers.
On it.
Don't lose them!
Okay, I need to find... I gotta be careful here. Shush. Nice.
Could come in handy.
Shut up. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Quick and swift. No alarms are raised. I'm happy with that. Alarm sounds awesome. Yay, we got another area. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome sauce. Because if you capture more areas and stuff, then it does allow you to find more chests. You can rank up, and yeah, like you know, they go. So like for example, you get more things to get. You find more money. Or chests, and I also think sometimes it also opens up a lot of the side quests as well, but I could be wrong there. I'm just going off you know, my own theory there. I could be wrong. There's a key somewhere, right? Surely it'd be in here. Oh, that's my only thought, is like it's in this part of the building. We'll just check up here. You never know what's up here these days.
Keep it up, Danny.
Thanks, man. Or it could be in here. That's a good shout. Nice.
Looking good now.
Oh yeah, just get more recruits doing that. Cool.
I can't believe
Over
it's
here.
you. What's up?
Danny, the army's trying to control our movement with a checkpoint. Taking it out is a priority.
I appreciate it.
Well, that comes in handy, doesn't it?
Easy now.
Still haven't found the key. Whoa, there's so many crabs. What the fuck's with all the crabs?
Firing!
I mean, I'm not bothered about going down there right this second in time. If I don't, I don't. I mean... Is up... No, we just start here, right? Do you know what? I'm just gonna head off to the next thing. I'm not gonna waste my time doing all that. So let's go here. Okay, so yeah, let's head to this. Okay, just showing off the map real quick, showing off exactly where we are. So let's go and... I don't believe these have sirens. Like, so if I sneak in here, I don't believe we have a siren problem. I am going to change one of my weapons though. Let's get rid of that, because I do need that. Hell yeah. Got more depleted uranium. I was about to say Uranus then. Yeah, I got more of Uranus. Ew, what's down here? Literally just a big gun that I can't even do a full circle on. Hell yeah, baby. Sorry, I was just depleting bullets. Anyway, let's look at the next. Oh, that's literally right there. I can get to that pretty quick. Okay, here we go. So we are here. Site NU or site new. I'm assuming it's site NU, but I could be wrong. There's a few bad people. I don't see a siren though, so I don't think the sirens are a thing. I don't have any other specific arrows. That's annoying. That's gonna blow. Nice. Alright, there'll be depleted uranium around there somewhere. And skadoosh. Oh, no, it kind of looks like I might already have gotten it. Lovely. Why didn't I blow that up then if I've already got the uranium? That makes 0 sense. I'm getting some money. I am, however, running out of explosives. That is not good. just realized I'm also trying to get that as well. Need to upgrade my rides. I got some cocks. Wait, what? Until I got a PPSH 41. That's sick. They're one of my favorite guns. I need to start looking for all these as well. All the legendary guns. Anyway, let's continue on with the next one, which would be up here. I've also got that one and that one. I don't know. I gotta stick to this location. So I've got 3 more? 4 more. I've got 4 more. So I've got this one over here, this one over here, this one over here, and this one over here. And that looks about right. Because Esperanza is not the same place. I don't want to stick to one location, so I shall head over here. Okay, let's go and blow this one up. This shouldn't take too long. I am gonna need more rockets, though. I may have to stop by and pick up more ammo. I want explosive rockets, explosive arrows too. Did that hurt me at all? No, okay. Yay, okay. Deplete uranium at all, or no? Wait, have I also picked up the one in here? Wait, I'll take that. Dude, you know I have a rocket launcher. I ain't told what they are. Piss off. Beep. So uranium's also been taken from here too, or am I not allowed to know that? No uranium logo. I also don't see the box. Is it just me or am I blind? Like, there's nothing. Like, literally nothing. Okay, well, we shall go venture forth. So I've got this one and this one and this one. Wait, that is previously completed. Why is it... Wait, are these things coming back? Okay, that's not cool. Okay. Okay, well apparently I've already previously completed this, so that makes sense. I have picked up more tools. Could not buy arrows though at this moment in time. You're welcome. That ended quick. Okay, let's go do this one, and then we got those 2 top ones as well. Okay, here we go. We are over here. Apparently, I've also done this one previously. Oh, guy in a truck spotted me. I will happily take that, my friend. I'll take some gunpowder. Where the fuck is... Do they have an anti-aircraft cannon rifle thing? What are they actually called? Okay, anti-aircraft, you know, gun in the middle of nowhere like this. Why? Like, can we just call Steve? Can Steve let me know?
That's not good.
Oh, it's where I've been taking the uranium from. That would make sense why some places I've already taken the uranium. So how do I make it so they don't come back then? Anyway, let's go to this one. This is Site B? PHI? Phi? I don't know. Okay, so we are here. And I'm right above the fucking thing. And I think I can see it. I'm gonna see if I can shoot it from here. I have a rocket I can waste. Oh my god, yes. Every Donnie down there is gonna be really confused. Fucking, that was a snipe. Alright, let's go do the last one. Am I getting in the right direction? Oh yeah. Wait, is that the that's not a location. Okay, we'll head there now. Okay, we're here. This is the last aircraft, which means we're done with the video in just a moment. Yeah, so the white ones are get indicated when I speak to people. I've done it a couple times in this video, so we got more highlighted now. So yeah, it does look like as you rank up and things and they get more alerted, then certain places get retaken. But I at least want to do this once. I may not do it for the whole map, you know, but I just thought I'd show you guys me clearing off some of the air bases, aircraft bases. One. You have failed this city. Nice. Oh, this place does have uranium. Yeah, let's get that. Let's grab that. Let's not lose that. We'll take that. Hey, hey. Okay, so... Oh yeah, I picked up another rifle. I picked that up. Didn't mean to click on that. Actually, let's change again. I'll have that for a little. Anyway, I shall leave this video here. We have done all the major aircraft sites now for the Montero location, which is so yeah, I may not do every single aircraft site, you know, with you guys watching. I'll definitely do all of these. I'll definitely do all of the military targets. Because they're kind of like the, you know, capture the point type thing without being spotted. So that's a lot of fun. So I may do like a whole video of capturing all of them, but I may not do the whole aircraft thing in every single place. There is a few things I do want to do, like all the side missions. I also do still have another amigo to get as well. Return the 3 Triada relics, the Lua Cave in Ventura Summit. You have 1 amigo outfit. So yeah, I do need to get him, so that'll be a video as well. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Of course, do hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Do let me know what else I can do in Far Cry 6 you guys wanted me to, you know, kind of do. Every time that I bring a game to this channel that's like this, and I show off like some of the side content, that means I've done a full-blown story walkthrough on my Tiger channel, which is where I do all my walkthrough content. I'll play a game by game to end, and if it's got story DLC, I'll do that as well. So make sure you check out that. I do love you all. Roar of Passion, everybody. Join the Discord server, which is Tiger Entertainment Network Discord. There's a lot of perks for joining that. You can vote on content, you know, join in on certain conversations, and talk to me in voice chat sometimes, which is awesome. I do love you all. Roar of Passion, and I shall see you guys in the next one.